Gonzalez III.
Our starting five of the game presented by Buenas, Daryl Manliguez, Paulo Jobalde, Ladis Lepala, Mark Montuano, and CJ Payawal. Para sa Valenzuela, MJ Garcia, Encho Serrano, Justin Baltasar, Jaymo Iquilos, and Renz Alcoriza. And get this,
matchup na yan.
titibay ng mga katawan. Serrano though, that won't drop. Justin Baltasar on the third up. Let's watch this play. Dalawang opportunity. Actually, tatlo yun eh. Justin Baltasar. Isa.
Same play.
Serrano. Drives. The runner is good. Apat na punto. Ladis Lepalam unable to connect with Daryl Manliguez there. It's a turnover. Enzo Serrano. Over. It's the steal. Gets it to Payawal. CJ. Layup is good. May kasama pang foul.
You talk about if player.
This is our fast break of the game, brought to you by New Star. Win to the max. That's a nice dipsy-do galing kay CJ Payawal. It's actually a big game. The inbound. They find Alcoriza. Pulls the trigger. That's good. Lead is against Justin Baltasar. Out to Encho. Serrano for three. Giant Lanterns on fire to start.
Just 3 points. 4 minutes gone already in the clock.
I like that.
Na-mention mo na kanina, it will be a good matchup.
Three-point shot brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances. Serrano and Montuano going back-to-back. Now, Garcia. MJ umatake, the hang time move.
The concentration.
They're not just good individually, they're pretty good with their execution. Talking about the Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
Oh, grabe yung skill sets. Ang maganda, nagiging collective na yung kasi this Pampanga Giant Lanterns team.
No. The handoff to Alcoriza. Alcoriza for three. Yes!
And ito, ni Alcoriza. Most of the time, nasa third rotate. Height is might.
Oh. Here's the sharpshooter, Renz Alcoriza. Nakawala. Encho, wala. Iquilos is there.
Yeah, he backs out Balt.
De Chavez can get going here. Mashon with a jumper. It's good.
Yeah, those yung mga 10 to 15 footer jumpers from the big Giant Lanterns right now. This is a taller lineup compared to sa starters nila.
And Nem de la Cruz sneaks in for the 2 points.
The level of difficulty in yung shot na yun, especially.
Draws the foul on Lervin Flores. Great drive here from Nem de la Cruz. Had to stretch for that one. Over just
yung possibility kung saan magpo-fall yung bola.
They get everything their way. Archie Concepcion will lay it in for two. Paulo Jobalde against Miggy Cortesa. Paulo will fire a three. Yes, sir.
Yeah, they need more of those from Paulo Jobalde.
Helping itong Pampanga get a 23-13 lead. His first quarter scores. Nyon with a rebound. Jobalde, the kick out to De Chavez. Yes. (23-16).
Your three-pointers, yan, magkaka-chance ka against the Giant Lanterns.
Concepcion. So flexible on that drive.
Every time may nagkakaramdam sila ng urgency. Ang bilis nila ibalik si Justin Baltasar.
It will take some time for them to get over that. Racing for three. Two spectacular plays. Defense and an offense.
Oo, you know what? Yung ano yung nag-fuel do sa three-pointer ni Kurt Rayson? That chase down block by Archie.
We gotta see that. Out of nowhere, Archie Concepcion. Not in my house. And Kurt Rayson putting the icing on the cake to Jeff Viernes. Viernes will drive. Viernes, the off-balance shot. Flips it up and in.
Saan kaya nag-warm up si Jeff?
Kanina. Sabi, pwedeng-pwede. J-Mo Igilos, apat lang yung umupensa doon. Si Enzo Serrano, nagtali Tasar. Wala pa rin. Balti again.
Wow! Yung engagement nila.
And here is the play right here. Baltasar misses. Payawal fighting in vain. And Baltasar is pumped up as we go into this timeout. I think, Balti can get a bit more leeway defensively as to San Fernando. Quick spin, Serrano, no go, all alone for the stick back. J-Mo Igilos, Kimura Ramen Bar. So maraming salamat sa inyong pagsuporta sa Giant Lanterns and Renz Alcoriza. 38-23, may 8 puntos na siya.
And still continues to be hot. Ito nga si Alcoriza. I like CJ Payawal. He just plays. He just plays, and in terms of points in the paint, they're 20, only 6 para dito sa Valenzuela. Now 22 already.
41-26 is end of the first half score is brought. Alcoriza got the step, easy to. No help there. Strong De Los Santos with the offensive rebound, a rare one. Hubalde for 3. Yes.
The second three-pointer ni Paulo Hubalde in this.
Arminion. The jumper is good.
Again, the patience of Arminion in that possession.
Thought about it. CJ against Archie Concepcion. CJ attacks and puts it in. That's a tough finish.
Lead down to 10.
Lervin Flores providing the pick. Lervin drives left. Lervin, yes.
Patiently waiting for the right time for things to open up.
Montuano off the glass and in.
A great trail there by Mark Montuano.
Baltasar inside. Balti too strong.
He wanted that to the
Baltasar binabatayan ni Montuano. There's a double team. What can you do?
Alam mo, shoot na lang.
And let's watch this. Justin Baltasar playing bully ball here. Lucky fan of the game brought to you by Buenas. Concepcion will drive. Tough finish, no problem.
Good run already. Then suddenly, itong Giant Lanterns showed their might. Now, up again by 16 points.
Play of the game brought to you by Buenas. Archie Concepcion. That's a pretty move. Using the glass. Rayson drops it off to Balti. He puts it on the plate. Rayson finds a way through. Kurt Rayson. Such a crafty scorer. Country.
Especially na bakasyon halos lahat ng mga bata eh.
Oh! Mason and Valenzuela.
And that's been the story. Like
early work from J-Mo Igilos. 9 points. Rayson drives. Nice pass. Santos. Obalde fires and hits the three. 11 points para kay Paulo Obalde at home against Valenzuela. This third quarter score is brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending. Balti, the kick out to Viernes. Three, yes.
Parang practice lang ah.
Oo. Here, De Chavez, wala. Mashon inside, scores. Asking to be... Gozum fires, corner three, wala. Viernes all alone for the stick back.
Offensive rebound, put back.
Payawal. That's a tough one and he puts it in for two. Napatawa si against Montuano. The kick out. The extra pass. Viernes. That's good.
A great recognition there by Martin Gozum.
Shot clock down to two. Balti. No.
Good pass.
Lervin. Yes. Martin Gozum. Quick thinking.
And, ito si Martin Gozum. Later on, deep dito sa ating tournament, mas malaki pa ang maibibigay nito for the Giant Lanterns.
21-point lead. CJ Payawal. Montuano puts it in for two. Alcoriza is in as well. Jeff Viernes. Three, yes.
To him, it's just I'm just gonna play.
That's the signature.
Dito sa Pilipinas.
Yeah, Brandon Ramirez.
Oo.
Kurt Rayson nails the three.
Against Davao, they limit Davao to just 47 points. Ito mo namang that basketball.
Serrano gets the three to drop.
Ayaw pa rin.
And Kurt Rayson. It's Pampanga. As our final score brought to you by GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL.